Day of testimony in the trial of Darrell Brooks. This time, police officers took the stand against Brooks.
Bruce Harrison has more from Waukesha on what happened in the courtroom today.
Video evidence of Waukesha police officer Bryce Scholten firing at the red SUV as it exits the parade route.
It was so close I felt like I could touch the side of the vehicle.
Scholten then identifying Brooks.
Yes, the driver is seated at the defense wearing a blue tie and blue shirt underneath his suit jacket.
As the driver.
I did not know your name at the time I shot at you.
Day 10 of the trial.
We are back on the record.
More police officers sharing what they saw. Officer Christopher Moss testifies he examined the abandoned and damaged SUV.
And do you remember the name on that paperwork?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What was the name on the paperwork inside the vehicle?
The name on the paperwork inside the vehicle was one Darrell Edward Brooks, Jr.
Brooks, who's defending himself, spent hours on cross-exams, at times confusing witnesses.
You had a lot of questions right there.
Amusing the state.
By you using a name, you would not be short. How can you be short?
I'll object.
Grounds.
Argumentative.
It's been asked, it's been answered, it's argumentative. The objection is sustained. Please ask your next question.
And like many days in the trial, off to a rough start, the judge threatening to remove Brooks.
For being disruptive and for bringing up irrelevant matters in front of this jury. You will forfeit your right to be present for the direct examination of this witness.
And the state had said they hope to rest their case by the end of this week. Today, we know that's now impossible. They are optimistic maybe next Monday or Tuesday they can try and wrap things up. Then Darrell Brooks will take over, stating his case. Now, for more on some of these delays, we are joined by criminal defense attorney Jonathan Lavoie from Kim and Lavoie right here in Waukesha. I wanted to ask about these lengthy cross-examinations by Darrell Brooks. What is he going after?
It's been painful. I mean, we've made it to the end of week 2 and we're seeing the same stuff every day from him. He's focusing on this jurisdictional issue and this identification issue, and I think he's just missing the mark. It's really getting tough, and you can see how frustrated Judge Doro and everyone is with him, and you can see what disadvantage he has by not having an attorney helping him.
Okay. And yesterday we saw that the judge let Darrell Brooks rant essentially for 50 minutes about jurisdiction and his constitutional rights. Why did the judge give him so much time that's delayed this trial?
It was very unique. She gave him so much time to just vent, essentially. I think what she's trying to do is allow him to make his record, allow him to vent his frustrations. But at the end of the day, I think she's done with it. I think you saw today when she started court, she was telling him, we have to stick to the plan. We cannot keep going down this road. So I think yesterday she gave him an opportunity to vent, and I think from today on, she's going to keep it much tighter.
All right, thank you, Jonathan Lavoie of Kim Lavoie here in Waukesha. There's been a lot of unexpected moments in this trial. Certainly things the state did not predict, noting that they already thought they would have rested their case, like I said, hopefully next Monday or Tuesday, and then we move on to Mr. Brooks's witnesses. The court has set aside the entire month of October for this trial. Back to you guys.
Bruce Harrison in Waukesha, thank you as always. TMJ4 News is streaming the Brooks trial live every day at TMJ4.com. Just scan that QR code you see on your screen right there. That will take you directly to our webpage. You can also check out the trial streaming through the TMJ4 News app.